Um, but I have to admit, it really doesn't feel like fall unless I'm playing WoW, and I'm not playing WoW. And I don't want to play WoW, is what I tell myself every day that I am not playing WoW. And holy mackerel double time! Get out of there! What was I talking about before I almost died in this horrible icy ball miasma? World of Warcraft. Fall and winter is World of Warcraft time in my head. I don't know why, because it really should be summer, because that's when we started playing WoW. Or I should say that's when we first started getting addicted to WoW, my wife and I. And we started during the Midsummer Fire Festival. And that really, if anything, should be WoW for me. But fall too, like I have fond memories of playing WoW during the cold times back in Texas. And opening the icy balls. Yes, opening the icy balls. Opening, you know, Great Father Winter's Christmas presents, doing Brewfest stuff. All that. Good. It was fun. When it was fun and not, like, a detriment to being alive, which can quickly happen with WoW. So be warned. Be ye forewarned. Ye who watch this. WoW and pretty much any Blizzard game is a trap. All Blizzard games are traps to just keep you playing their game and not doing anything else ever. So there you go.